What I wish I knew at 20 instead of waiting until 30. Stop letting a tiny voice steal big chances. Kill the weed, grow you. Self-doubt is an invisible barrier that convinces you to wait until you're ready. Spoiler: ready rarely knocks. It whispers you're not good enough, smart enough, experienced enough. And the more you listen, the taller that wall gets. Where does it come from? Past failures that echo, endless comparisons on social media, harsh criticism that sticks, fear of judgment, toxic perfectionism. All legit reasons, not excuses to stop. Think of self-doubt like a weed in your mind. Left alone, it spreads. You don't uproot it with more worry, you pull it out with action. J.K. Rowling was rejected 12 times. If she'd let doubt win, Harry Potter never leaves her desk. Instead, she kept going. How to kill the weed and grow you. Reframe your thoughts. Swap "I can't" for "I can learn." Stop comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. Take action despite fear. Confidence is practice, not magic. Keep a list of past wins as proof you can do it again. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. Treat failure like data. Useful, not deadly. You don't need perfect, you need forward. If this hit home, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's pull the weed together and grow you.